In this video, I'll show you how to download the gov.uk One Login Identity app on your Android mobile phone. So go ahead and open the Play Store app. Make sure you're signed into your account. Click on the search icon at the bottom. In the search bar at the top, click inside there. And when your keyboard appears, type in gov.uk One Login. Click on the app. Here you'll see information about the app, such as reviews, etc. There's also a section where you can click about this app to make sure it's compatible with your phone. Once you're happy with all of that, click on the blue install button. Now the app will start downloading to your phone. This could take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's downloaded, it'll then start installing. Again, this could take several minutes. Once the app's downloaded and installed and ready to go, you can actually open it directly from the Play Store by clicking the blue open button. However, it's best to come out and go to your home screen and scroll through your apps just to check that it has been installed and there is a shortcut icon there. If you see it, great, click on it and wait for the app to open. And skip that. That is how you download the gov.uk One Login Identity app on an Android mobile phone.